Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's video going to be about beginning level of genetics, so questions going to be very easy. So I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve each problem on your own first, choose the correct answer, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answers with my answers and explanations. So here's the first problem. If an offspring is said to be homozygous recessive, which of the following could be its genotype? And here is 4 answers to choose from. So the first answer, we see genotype of organism. Here we see 2 genes, gene R and gene S, and both of these genes in diploid organism are in heterozygous state. Answer B, we see also 1 gene, gene T, and one allele is dominant, another recessive, so this is also heterozygous variant. And answer C, we see that one gene is homozygous dominant, another one is in homozygous recessive state. And answer D, we see once again gene S, and gene S is represented with 2 copies. One is dominant and another is recessive, so heterozygous state. And the best answer would be answer C, because we see here one gene that is in homozygous recessive state. Those another one is homozygous dominant, but at least one gene in this genotype we see homozygous recessive. The question could be, of course, a little bit confusing, because if you expect that all genes have to be homozygous recessive, this is never happens in real life, because inbreed organism, this could be animal or plant, usually have some of its genes in homozygous dominant state and some of them in homozygous recessive state. So we can propose that this organism is highly inbreed, and the rest is just represent normal breeding, outcrossing. So we see that many genes are heterozygous. So let's circle answer C here. And next question, which of the following statements describe an organism that produces offspring that would be an exact copy of the original? And answer A, asexually reproducing human offspring. This is not possible. We only can produce sexually, so answer B, sexually reproducing human offspring. But this is also not the correct answer, because our children is not our copies, not our clones. 50% our children get from you, and another 50% from your mate or spouse. So this is also not a correct answer. And now we're left with 2 answers: asexually reproducing bacteria and sexually reproducing bacteria. Sexually reproducing bacteria means that some kind of recombination happens, so the offspring wouldn't be exact copy of the original. So the correct answers you see answer C, asexually reproducing bacteria that would produce offspring that is going to be exact copy of the original of the mother cell, and recombination wouldn't happen. And this is all for today. Thank you for attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.